Thanks for purchasing tinydabba digital visiting card. Now let's add content in your card and make it live and active. So to add the content, first visit our dashboard, that is NFC.vc. NFC.vc. When you type NFC.vc and press enter, you will see this website. Here you will see a button, Get Started. Click on this button. Once you click on this button, it will ask sign in with Google. Click on the sign in with Google. So it will use the Google account to sign in into your NFC.vc dashboard. Now you are logged into your dashboard. So after login, you will see this interface in NFC.vc dashboard. So first of all, click on create link. Here it will be a bio link. Click on this bio link. Now it will say enter your physical NFC card ID. It is near QR code. So see your physical card. You will see some numbers. It will be like 1234 VC. So in this case, my number is 1256 VC. I'm adding this and press create button. Now your card is successfully added. Here you will see setting button, blocks button and add block button. 3 buttons are there. Let's start by setting. So this is the short URL of your card. This is the preset theme section. If is there in preset theme, you can save here. Otherwise, no need. Come to customizations. So this customization, this setting section is the look and feel of your card. So this is the background. You have simple background, abstract gradients, custom gradients, custom color. Here you can see the color and custom image video. So let's start by simple gradient. If I select this particular image, it will change here in the right side. So this is the live preview of your visiting card. You want to be more creative, you can go with abstract backgrounds. Let's keep it custom. Then here you can change the color, and this is one is red and second one is maybe green. So see, immediately it changes. You can change the blur of the background and the brightness of the background also. If you have your own image, if you want to add your own image or own background, you can add custom image background. Then click text file. Suppose I'm using this. You can add this also. So it's up to you. You can be creative and use any of the images. So I'm using simple background. I love this color. Now this is the 5 icon. 5 icon is the distant. When you open your VC in browser, there is a small icon on the right side of the title. This can be changed from here. 5 icon. Okay, then see this. This is my logo. I can use this. Here you can use any of your image you want. Now you can select the font. So this is a default font. You can use Times New Roman, Georgia, Arial, whatever you want. The font size you can change 16, expand the light 14, whatever you want. Again, the width can be changed large, small, medium. Let's keep it medium. The basic setting is all done. If you don't change it, still your card will look good. Then space, it can be small, medium or large. Verified that this is not for you. This is not required in your page. Then the branding, so it is at the bottom of the screen. Suppose I have to say the circle. We are dummy company that we are using here. You can see the text color. I'm using white. This is the footer. This will be prominent. It will come always here. Okay. HTTPS. Just remember, always use all the URL with HTTPS. That song. So once you do any settings, you have just remember to update it. Otherwise, your changes will not be saved. Yeah. So here in the branding section, you see the branding is visible here. Let's go to the next section, pixel. Suppose you are a digital marketer. You know you have a digital marketing team. They will provide you pixels so that your clicks and conversions can be automatically built in the audience. So you can create a pixel over here. This is a create pixel button. We can use Facebook pixel, Google pixel, Google Tag Manager, LinkedIn, Pinterest, X, Quora, TikTok or Snapchat pixel. Just write the name of the pixel and say Meta pixel. Then get the pixel ID from your digital marketing team and press it, type it here and close. The pixel is created and you can use this pixel here. Okay, I just created the pixel, it's coming here. So this is advanced setting. It is not mandatory to use this setting. If you know how to use the pixel, how to build the pixel, then you can use it. Otherwise, you can leave it. Again, UTM parameters. If you are going to use this link, NSO.vc/1256vc, this is a link, and in some social media, we can always use this UTM parameters. Then protection. You can password protect your site so that anybody can click your VC, will not open. You have to give them password. Again, it's your use case. If you want to use, you can use it. Otherwise, you can obviously don't wait. You can obviously omit it. Then it is the SEO setting. If you want to give a page title, description, keyword period, use the VC. Again, this is completely non-mandatory option. If you want to use, you can use it or leave it. Then there is advanced for pro users. If you have multiple cards, you can give the projection into this. You can have a splash page in the multiple page case. This is a lip link. So suppose you want to completely omit this thing, don't want to use our dashboard, you can just type any link on any website or your link tree bio URL, so that it will use this page to open and this complete dashboard will be omitted. So our basic setting has been done. Now let's start adding content in the card. So this is how the user will see the card in the settings section, the basic thing, and the block is the section where you can add the contents. So let's start adding first content. So click on the add block section. Here you will see there are various options. You have more than 40 options in this. Link, heading, paragraph, avatar, image, social, image grid, dividers, list. email collector. So there's so many options. Let's start adding one by one. So it's always good to have a cropped avatar at the top of the card. So I'm clicking avatar. Here you can select any image. It can be your picture or it can be your brand logo. This while I'm having the logo here of the circle. Here you can see the size. It's 75, 100, 125, 150. Let's keep it medium 125. The radius. So straight will be the square image, round the complete round image, rounded will be the image with the rounded corner. So as per your choice, you can choose whatever you want. I'm using round. Click submit. Save. A logo is appeared here. Now this is all live. When you click on your card, you can always check here. We can place. My image is coming. Right? So first thing is done. Now let's add my name. So anything can be added in the name as a heading section. So this is the heading. You can always search any setting from here, any block from here. HA heading came here. So add a heading. So in heading there H1 to H6 sizes. 1 is bigger, 6 is the smaller one. Let's keep it medium as 3. Let's add your own name. And then some name. Let's make it Rajshana. Name came here. No, basic thing. So there are 2 blocks, avatar and name added. You can always change the order by just dragging and drop. So CD. You can anytime disable any section. Suppose you added and you don't want to, for a particular event, you don't want to show the logo. So change the status to get. It's on. It's turned on. Now once this section is okay, you can change the settings of this section icon. So there's a 3 dot lines here. Click on this line. Here it is edit, view, duplicate and delete. Let's say edit. So I don't like the size S3. I want it to be like extra, but bigger. H1 is the biggest, X is the smallest. Let's make it H2 now. I can change the text also. And I can change the text color. Let's make it little bit. And not green right now. Yeah. I like this color. You can justify. It's center now. You can make it left, right, justify. Display setting. Here we can also change the display setting. The display setting, you can schedule. Like you want to show this particular banner from particular date to particular date and time. You can make it visible in some country. Maybe you are having international business and want to show different versions of your name, different language. You can choose this option. You can change in device, which device it can be seen in desktop, tablet or mobile. As per language, you can also change. Maybe you want to have a different name in Arabic, different version of your name in Arabic. You can use this option. Same with operating system. All these sections are completely not mandatory, so you can anytime remove it. I just changed my name, color, and I will update it. Let's see, my name is updated. You can come to your file. Okay. We want to close this section. You click again and click on edit. So my company name, logo, and my name is added. I want to add a company no. So again a heading. It will be bigger. Let's add this designation first. It should be smaller. Add now add company name. Again this heading section. Okay, my company name is added now. Now let's add some more blocks. I can add links. So let's say all links start with HTTPS. Guys, review on video. So any link that you add will appear as a button. See this? This page open. Whatever link you provide, it will open here. You can use this as adding your social media profiles also. Suppose I'm going to add facebook.com. Follow. Is that it? Again, I can switch off the link, keep it on as per my need. Now let's add process section. So build the social section. So you can change the size. It's in small, medium, large, or so large. Let's make it medium. Here you can write your email ID. Telephone number, mobile number. If you are in Telegram, you can add Telegram channel. Here you can give a WhatsApp number. Make sure always start with the country code. If you have Facebook, you can use Facebook. If you want to use Facebook Messenger, you can use Facebook Messenger. Instagram. So just remember, the first part of the URL is always added here by default. Facebook.com is there, Instagram.com is here. We just want to enter the ID. Twitter. TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. So in LinkedIn, suppose you are in India, so your URL starts with IN oblique. So when you copy any LinkedIn URL, use linkedin.com/IN/. Then just escape this delete this linkedin.com part and use rest of the URL. Something like this. Then Spotify, Pinterest, Snapchat, Twitch, Discord, your address. Threads, Reddit, Rumble. Okay. Whatever you want to add, you can add. And click on submit the tab. See, all the links that you have added is here. Social section, you can again, if you want to edit some section, click on edit. I want to change the color again, make it a little bit lime. like this. Size I want to change, I can make it large. And then most important, update. Now see, it's bigger and line color. You can see it live here. See. All links are here. Suppose I at Instagram. Instagram page is here. Again, to close it. Okay. So see, within 2 minutes, our basic setting has been done. My social media is added, my profile is added, my image, my profile picture is added. Now let's step. Again, click on add block. So links we have seen the headings, we have seen avatar, we have seen social. That's some paragraph. You can add in paragraph, you can add something about your company. Digital NFC your products. You can submit. Now I want this section to be below my company name. So this drag and drop. Click here. Here. Not, below my company name. Click on edit. You can tune the size. Wait. This paragraph. Click on edit. You can see in the text color. I even want it to be live. Wait. The background color I want to be live. Boom. No. I want it left, right. Okay, by as a center. Okay. The company name I don't care. I don't want the picture now. Turn it off. Okay, toss. Now again, add block. Suppose we want to add some image. Click on image. Again, choose file and add this image. I want to open my website in this. Now image is added. When I tap, my website will be here. So this is simple image. I can also add image grid where multiple images can be shown. So latest products in that item. I choose image. Again URL, website, 3 or 2 images in the column. Click on submit. And then put here root. I want to show 2 images. You can come 2 images. Just add this image. Similarly, you can have multiple images. A block, no group, data product, I don't want any URL in this. Fantasy fine. So if you want the same size, I have to change the size of this also. So you can add it, make it out of it.
9 inch in the same row to image के साथ बने.
Then is the test todas no duelo. A mí me todos detalles. Now let's do next section, and we can add a divider. So margin, then the top and bottom margin for that. Then a divider is added with this infinity symbol. Now let's add one more block. It's a list. The list item, I will say MSC card. Second will be review card and submit. Yeah, a list is added here. So you can see, you can say like our services, and you can list all the services over here. My add block. There's one big link. So, it's the same as a link, but it will have a better visibility and description can be added. So suppose this is my link. Mailing description. That's it. So this is a link with description. In this, you can also edit and choose the image thumbnail also. Image can be added. Let's add one more block. So this audio block, you can add any audio file, give it a name. It can accept MP3 and MP4s. Probably MP3 and MP4. Then you add block, a video can be added. A video up to 2 MB of MP4 and WebM can be added. A thumbnail image should be there and name of the video should be there. Suppose you want to show your catalog or any files, you can upload from here. A download link will be allowed. So PDF, ZAP, RAR, doc, docx. If you have a menu, if you are having a hotel and want to add menu, you can use this. You can use it as a product log. Then this call to action. So this is a quick option button. You want to collect email, you want to send people to send email. You can put email address, forward. Email us. A keep email button is already. Call preference can be email, call, SMS, or placement. Call, mobile number. I got call tinydabba button. Yeah. So call will be, once it's mobile, the regular call button will be opened. Then PDF, this is strictly for PDF documents. That's for menu. So it will be displayed on the page over here only, not downloaded. In the file section, a download will be there. In PDF, it will be displayed on the same page. Now let's add the main thing, the vCard. So this is all the sections which are in the side. It will dictate here. vCard is a section which people can save your contact. So add block. Either you can scroll and find it here, or just type vC vCard. Add vCard, give the name. Best way is to give save contact. And click on submit. See now, a save contact button is added. But this will not work. What you have to do, you have to change the settings of this card. So click on the three dots and click edit. You see vCard setting. So here you have to add each and everything that you want customers or users to save. So avatar is the image file. It can be your image or your logo. Name, tinydabba, support, email, people. You can add birthday, you can add address, city, so you can add notes. So why it is used? Suppose you want to save contact and you want to add like we met in particular event. You are showing this card in particular event. We met TEDx. So that user can search by TEDx and find you. So internal note. Whenever we save the contact, generally we add some notes. So this is the note pre-added. Then phone number. So it is important to add phone number. Click on phone number and create. It is important to give some name. So mobile. You can add country code if you want. It can be mobile, or it can be WhatsApp, or it can be support. Then you can add more numbers by adding create. 11 you can add what. Then I can add social again, whatever social media I want to add. Add Instagram. Here you have to give full URL of your Instagram profile. This my setting. Web contact. Again, it's my contact. You can give some icon also. Contact icon. Then again alignment, right, left, center. Background color. Again I use line color. Then update. It is important. Now whenever the customer click on save contact button on their mobile phone, Android or iOS, contact will be saved. We can try this. You can see how it works. So I'm keeping this live, my website live, https nfc.gc 1256gb. we can anytime see all the things that we have added over here. So now let's add more blocks. We can add blocks. This is email collector, phone collector, contact form. So all these things are used to get information from your users. So email collector easily captures email from your visitors, phone collector captures the number, and contact form can capture email, phone numbers and message. So let's see it one by one. Email collector. Let's see. Drop your mail, submit. This section is added. Let's see it in action. If somebody press drop your email, here will write and then button. So email has been added to your list. Now how you will see this email? So in the left section you see there is one option called data. Click on this data. This email has been collected. Created on 11th February. Time is here. You can anytime delete it, or you can export as CSV, PDF. Data is here. So it has been done. Now then, let's see phone number. Come to dashboard. This is your card. Click here. Add block. Phone collector. Job. Your number. Submit. Puja. Now let's see again data. It's in phone collector, the number and the name. Again you can download it. You can filter. Let's again come to add block. You can have contact form. Then you contact us. Contact us option is here. You can contact us. Email address, phone number, name and a message can be added here. So RSS feed, you can add RSS feed if you are having a blog or WordPress blog. You can take the RSS feed and display the news article over here. Custom HTML, if you want to add any custom HTML, if you are acquainted with HTML, you can add here. vCard I have already shown you. Alert notification. Or just a notification tab like an alert. I will show you how it works. There. Welcome. Rob. Come and make alert. I show you here. And then it can be cut. So I refresh. Gone. For first time when it's open, it will be shown. FAQ, if 20 questions can be added. The countdown timer can be added. As this per simple countdown. Ending button, external item is ending button. So a shareable link can be added with this. YouTube feed can be added if your YouTube channel. A timeline widget is there. You can add review, image slider, a markdown block. You can, if you are having a paper account, you can add paper drop. You can add threads, SoundCloud songs, Spotify playlist. Now let's add YouTube. So here I will paste YouTube URL, click submit, and see this particular YouTube video has been added in the page. So now your digital VC is configured properly. It has your profile picture, your name, designation, company name, links, social media profile, image in grid, a divider section, a list section, a big link, email, call to action, mobile, save to contact with digital visiting card, a contact form in form of email, number, a full present form, a YouTube video. Similarly, you can add any blocks from here. When you click on any block, it will give you pop-up of what this block is about. So suppose link, it will say link to any external web page. Any block can be turned off and turned on anytime. Order of any block can be changed by selecting these three dots. Then drag and drop it here. The best practice is to keep this save contact button, save my contact button, so that anybody can save your contact easy. Now you can see this small numbers, total KGA. So you can see each section of your VC individually how much people have clicked on that section, and overall, and when you click on dashboards, you can see total how many visits are there. Suppose if we have purchased more than one card, we have two cards, then we just click at a create link or bio link and add. If you add any random number, that will not work. So it should be a valid number from your tinydabba VC. Hope I'm pretty much clear. In case of in doubt, please do contact. And